What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet Malibu flip key remote fob. This Chevy Malibu key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade open. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. So I'm going to come over to the side where the key blade folds in and get a couple fingers in there like that on this back cover, and then put my thumb down here on the bottom and then just peel that back and that cover will come off. Now we see our battery right here. And if we hold our key fob like this with the blade pointing down, I'm going to come over here to the top of the battery and just get my fingernail on there and get it out of that holder. It doesn't take much. If you're unable to use your fingernail, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something similar. Once we get our old battery out, we're going to install the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And again, if we're holding the fob like this, calling this the bottom, we're going to install the battery. We're going to tuck the bottom of the battery in like that. Tuck that bottom in, and then just push it down into place. Then we can snap the back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.